Hi BroLearners, how are you? Hope you are doing great. My name is Ajaz and welcome back to my channel BroLearner. In this video we will see how we can include HTML tag in JavaScript. Without further delay, let's start. First we create document.write, document.write, okay, and provide the parenthesis and double quote. In double quote we provide the text. For example, hi, this is a simple text, okay, and then let's copy this line here and save this and run in live server. Let's run in live server. Okay, you can see there is no space after text and again hi. We can provide with the help of br tag. Okay, we can provide br tag here, br, and let's save this and see the output. You can see it is in next line. We can bold also and italicize with the help of b tag, b, and it is a closing tag, that's why we close this tag b. Let's save this. You can see this is now in bold. We can do all italicize and emphasize, okay. You can use in document.write. So that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel, share with your friend, and bye bye.